Hello, well, let's take a look at your MT8 LT1 affirmation. This question, I copied the formula from your formula sheet for the geometric mean. Notice we're going to be using the third formula here because we want to find the side of this triangle, the whole side of the big triangle. Well, that's the geometric mean between the entire hypotenuse, they call that C plus D, and the part that touches A, which is C. So on this problem, we're going to say Z squared, because that's your A, equals your entire hypotenuse, which is 7, times the part that's adjacent to it, which is 5. So Z squared equals 35. Take the square root of both sides. Z is the square root of 35. I have no clue how you got this answer because you never handed any work and you didn't talk to me. Let's take a look at another problem here. Now, you did the hard part right. You found the similar triangles. When you go to write the ratios, here's what I suggest you do since you have a hard time seeing that. Draw out the triangles. Separate the three similar triangles. So we have triangle YZW. And your right angle is at Z. And notice your longer leg is Y to Z from the picture. Then we have the smaller triangle. I'm going to rotate that. So it's X, Z, Y, which is what you have. And then finally, the big triangle is XYW. So we have X, Y, W with your right angle at Y here. Now, look at what you're given. We have XZ is to XY. So if I mark this, XZ is to XY. So we're saying the longer leg is to the hypotenuse. Now, which one of these has XY as the longer leg? And the reason I'm looking at XY, I'm looking at right here. Well, that would be XY is the longer leg here. What is the hypotenuse of that triangle? Well, that triangle is XW, not YW. You had the second part right there. So I've reopened that affirmation for you. Complete that today.